Hello, this is Sandesh Bhat and welcome back to this new index analysis video where we are going to be analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty's performance for today, and after that we'll try to predict what may happen in the next trading sessions. If we closely look at Nifty 50's chart, we can see that it has been suddenly getting rejections from this level, that is somewhere around 24,350. We can see that from past 2 days and this third day, repeatedly there is a rejection from from this resistance. If we closely look at that through option chain, we can see that 24,300 has a lot of call shorts, that is of 50.79 lakhs. And if we look at 24,300, 24,400, these are the two strike prices from call side that has a lot of open interest presently, and we can assume that if there is a breakout, then there can be a lot of chances that market will move towards the upside, but the chances are very low of breakout, so we are not going to predict whether it is going to be a breakout or not. Now let us mark some important levels for Nifty 50 through option chain. Now we can see that 24,100 has a good open interest of somewhere around 75 to 76 lakhs of put OI, so we'll mark that as an important support. And talking about resistance, we can see that 24,400, 24,500 are some key levels that we need to keep in mind, because 24,500 is a round number, so we can expect that market can close between 24,500 and 24,100 for tomorrow. If we look at the chart right now, we can see that market opened 200, somewhere around 200 points of gap up, and after that it tried to make one support right over here, that is somewhere around 24,200, and after that it tried to pierce this resistance, that is over here, but it eventually failed. And then we can see that there was a lower high lower low structure, which could have been trapped today for intraday trades. I'll explain it elaborately in the next section where we'll analyze on intraday trades. But for now, we can see that the market tried to break into this resistance, but it was not possible. We can see that before it could have pierced into the resistance, the market closed. And now if we talk about Bank Nifty, we can see that Bank Nifty has also performed a similar way Nifty behaved today. If we look at the option chain for Bank Nifty, we can see that 50,100 is at the money, and after today's expiry, all the strike price above 50,100 are zero for the call sides, and for the put sides, all the strike price below 50,100 is zero. Now we can make our observation right now. We can see that the key level here, only through the support or resistance, or from where the rejections and buying is happening, we can see that 50,700 is somewhat an important level for Bank Nifty. And also for the support, we can assume that 49,600 can be, or 49,650 can be a key level, because we can see that market is kind of consolidating or moving within this range of 200-300 points, and we can expect that a breakout may happen, or a breakdown may happen, depending upon whatever the events are actually happening right now. But the more chances are that there will be breakdown, because the overall sentiment of the markets in a global view is also not good, so we will not expect any kind of breakout for now. But nothing is 100%, and we are only working on probabilities right now. Talking about Nifty 50, we can see that market formed a support somewhere around 10 o'clock today in Nifty 50, and after that we can see that market tried to push towards its high, intraday high, and we can see a clear rejection from 10:35, that is somewhere around 24,300. If we go a little bit towards previous charts, we can see that there was a rejection in in the same level as before. I also mentioned this in the analysis part. So we can see that there is some kind of rejection happening here, so we could have made trade somewhere around 11 o'clock. If I mark a small support right over here, we can see that market tried to form a higher high, higher low, like here. there was a low over here that, and market tried to create another high here, but eventually it failed, and a breakdown was seen over here, and we could have made taken a trade over here, that is somewhere around 11 o'clock. But what happened was market took support somewhere around 24,200. So this would have been a clear indication that market will not go towards the support today. We would have exited the trade somewhere around 1:1 or a break even. Talking about Bank Nifty, we can see that market opened, gap up, and after that there was a support formation somewhere around 10:15. But the market could not move towards its intraday high today, and after that we could we can see that there is lower high lower low formation somewhere around here, and after that we could have made a trade somewhere around 11 o'clock, the same time where we would have taken the trade in Nifty 50 as well. And we can see that there is a small support right over here, and after that support breakdown we could have taken the trade and exited somewhere around 1:1, because we can see that here as well market went sideways and it did not test its support. If we look at India VIX right now, India VIX is cooling down a bit, but it has not completely cooled down. The complete cool down can be expected when it once reaches 12 or 13 range. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.